We've got a 2017 Volkswagen Polo with the service inspection light. So I'm just going to show you to reset. We've got two buttons down here. We've got the set button and the menu button. So we're going to press and hold the menu button and ignition on without starting the engine. So press and hold that, ignition on, then press the set interval reset, service interval reset. One inspection now, ignition off, ignition on. So we've still got the inspection light, but we've got rid of the oil. Now it's probably going to be that the inspection won't go without using a diagnostic machine, but I'll try it again first. So press and hold the square, ignition on, press and hold, reset, oil service, yeah. So if you've got the oil warning light on, the oil service warning light, you can do that on the buttons, but if you've got the inspection, unfortunately that means you're going to have to use a diagnostic machine. Okay, just a quick update. I've reset the inspection service light, so this was showing oil service and inspection. The oil service you can reset on the dashboard with the buttons. The inspection light you can't. I've just had to use my software to do that. So if you've got oil service only, you're okay.